here's the Mario Kart track right here for Mario Kart.
Yeah.
And then I did the track over here, and I put the music.
I gotcha. So like, if I were gonna like redesign a little bit,
Yeah.
I would think about like maybe he spins out right here, or maybe he like I don't know,
Yeah.
goes off the track for a second. So think about how we could use the codes inserted into the track to make it a story. So he slipped on a banana peel.
Your scissors. Hey.
And now he's gonna slip. He's gonna get hit by a turtle shell.
Yep, he's gonna go slow.
Did he slow down?
Oh, yep, he did. And then, like, the finish line is over there.
Okay, cool. And this makes him speed up.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show you that part, because I didn't think it worked the first time.
Oh, I see.